Hello, my name is Ken Harrison, and I want to give you an essential business update. GNB was designated as an essential business because some of the work that we were doing pre-COVID, we were doing some things for NASA, we're doing some things for the US government, and we're also building products that are related to COVID testing and COVID treatment. From the beginning of the year, we have been quite busy. We've had a number of very large projects that have been running throughout the shop at GNB. Those have been progressing well in spite of some reduced staffing and some other conditions that we've had due to COVID. However, recently, many of the big projects that we were working on have shipped. This has opened up a tremendous opportunity for our customers. Right now, we have excess capacity, and this is true from now and through the end of the year. So our lead times are lower than normal, and we're willing to negotiate a little bit. In the times past when we've been really busy, we've had times when we have had all the work that we could handle. But right now, things have slowed down a little bit, and they look like they will continue to be slow for the end of the year. If you need something that is a rapid turnaround, we can help with that. And we'll also sharpen our pencil a bit to help get the jobs in quickly. Another thing I want to mention is we have a large inventory. We have a lot of stock of standard components. The Advantor brand name components, we have a lot of those in inventory. And so if you need a flange, you need a fitting, you need something overnight, you're working on a project, we even list some of these on Amazon Prime. So whatever you need as far as inventory, we have something in stock and should be able to help. As we look to the future, we expect next year to be a very good year. We have a number of projects that are coming up, some of them related to COVID, some are related to other industries. So we expect the business level to pick up again next year. Overall, the industry, semiconductor, has been strong throughout the COVID pandemic, but some of the other industries have been slower, some of the automotive related industries and so forth. So right now is an excellent time if you want to call us and get something done quickly. Our lead times are remarkably short. For help with all of your vacuum equipment needs, please call us or visit our website at www.gnbvac.com.